Musa Dankwa predicted 53%, when you 54%. How come say? We are saying, I won't problem. Even after getting it right, just swallow your pride and say, oh, senior, why are they? Na, you know, one not dream your way, but I had it. Senior, why are they met you? How can you be? I'm not by your dream.
Yeah.
But you see, I feel say the position taken by the MPP when it comes to some of these research, for me personally, is disappointing. And I don't want to bring some of the flyers. Me Nhyira Ahnyagba.
Yeah.
Or GH1. I go quote how he was describing Musa Dankwa. It was sad. I come a position on this one. The no na bikini analysis in the
Sure.
For me, the position is disappointing. The MPP need to rewrite their note on Musa Dankwa. Akwa, no poster has 100% track record.
Yeah.
Akwa, me starting in CFM, I send off. When I made calls and did anything, I predicted so okay. Me predicted say the MPP is likely to flip a send off.
Yeah.
The Achikwesi we need. I came on the same platform and explain why the Achikwesi won. It doesn't mean say I'm a fake analyst or a fake poster. But Akwa, because I have a background in meteorology and climate science, which is my first degree.
Right.
I'm going to say be a friend of forecasting. I could be a researcher and a poster. He is forecasting.
Right.
And I go back at you say climatological conditions, you will near maybe. Or cloud, we find a cumulonimbus cloud. You say you better.
Yeah.
But what let me be a film. If you know, some of the say Bobby free, BB, Banner, you should be better if you talk about Casadine. Based on all these conditions, expect rain at 10. And just a Ghana Meteorological Agency, no, we are by 4.
Right.
They are saying that when certain conditions are available, there will be rainfall.
Sure.
When those conditions are not available, there will not be rainfall. But the most important thing for me is this. Abranti from 2012, Baba Jama no ambassador to Nigeria. I'ma say, yeah, don't watch it any other. But Abranti, I think say maybe chef, maybe I am money audios the year pan. But I would say no class and pay
Yeah.
He's a very deep guy.
Oh yeah.
Omo to abani we no. Also no near San cabinet issue and no, I'm some perfect. He admitted, say, no so kubum kutugwe a pancrophobic show. And then now can realize that the former MP Nhyira don't watch, no, I'm not a campaign manager. In fact, we go hear video ni bio. Tell me, dedicate a moya day. Ya pedanensa. Oh, collation center no. Declare ni lead person or rep no collation center. Eh, MP no. And let me give people the bag. On no MP lawyer no near Neskume or court. So it tells you say he has that reconciliatory posture, and it's a very approachable behavior. Me senti Abranti no. In fact, akokwa owo kotad edan. Owo dan no kotono NDC ni dia. Lawyer NDC owo tia NDC no catch say ento dan no. Onko ye nema biansa no wato emwa ento.
Just say okan.
It's MPP candidate na nkasa no. The lawyer ni. Na dan for pa no. Ono aka say no dream say kama say by ebeboa. But me tie owo no so owo no ka bibi. And akokwa see in life you don't admit you shouldn't shy away from admitting your failures. Joining the town by Kofi Eugene na nyam na me. Na oh Eugene say to me kwatra lap me nya bibia. Wo yokotompo ni.
Yeah.
Okay bibi o say ohun say contest no mo koye no. Na educational undertones bi. It was am be school bi.
Yeah.
Oni sika otimi to dan etimi fa lawyer akokwa akoto dan na follow ya usika wo koto dan wo fra lawyer wo koto sa to fra lawyer assassin mu kodi an usika so
Uni sika
obe dan fa lawyer
say ko fa lawyer aka
Akwata se o de fo ko fa lawyer o so san ko bi aka ho mate so o masters ko so ko bi aka ho na akokwa I want to sound the caution to lawyer baby o person o break sa 4 year cycle your name be so ye Abrante no predict man so be win na no the data na ba kokwa data ni final poll no a wo ye yansa no mo koto aba no ene o mo to aba no wie ne wa ye na kokwa he most an interesting trend in the data final poll no o ma na ekoto no say 42% say adwuma sem hia yen akwa hade after exit poll ne pa 8% account 50 akwa na na kire wo expectations have gone high. Enti kusifo kwan no Joy News called the next day no mugusu ye. Apenama kwa no mugusu ye. Don't take the people for Akwatia for food.
The machines are big.
Don't take the people for Akwatia for food. Mama history, Baba Jama NDC, Amase MPP, Yadombachi NDC, and Eskumi MPP. So opese wudiche na wunim dia kokko na mi tiero no no amalo na yakono wunim dia o wisdom wo de bo Akwatia manfo no mu hu se ye MP lawyer o yesusu bia o wu nso wo ho o ye man na yeso be se ye betima kosko be ye man na no ni bibia kokko. This is the most important thing to them.
Yeah.
Developmental project. Come more time.
Eddie.
We jam to sabe. Men kasa what time.
Pomusiesie ho.
Munye wo yi. Na se bi nketia nso yokwa Akwatia FM akokwa. Akosho omobo se ebe yi. Ba kwa nim, look at something here. Look at something. Have you noticed say right after the exit poll no, every single thing is reducing except the developmental project. When I'm catching the data no, o show holistic. Sometimes won't see you, but pick the data. Economy na 15 about 14, education na 13 about 11, jobs na 10 about 9, galamsey na 8 about 5, sympathy vote 4 maintaining, voting for party 3 na about 2, popularity of the candidates 1%. We open the course. Look at it. Of all the significant issues, the only thing where people's interests have gone up suddenly, a developmental project.
Right.
And Kotana Kra.
Nka say atwa ma me awie obeje wani so
akokwa nenta me emotions akokwa me course am pay na me ba and pay so I can confidently tell you the machines no ebi wo ho there's a reason omotuma akokwa e ka no enkotra kra and the moving pick emwa akwa when I looked at Akwatia 80.3% literate wo munya dwumaye
Akosku.
Sit na waje. Nema bibiri.
Yeah.
Fa pri bibi ma wo man. Na kokwa de bia me ka say legacy. Ehu hia sin ayew. Akwa ne no wonchrefe nyame boa wa ugina ma na ade a. Da chi buba wura ha. Hey, wo papa ne kokwa je. O papa amobra, ya papa na boti wo kra. Akwata tie. Keep the peace. Keep the pace. Now, the next thing I also advise him on lastly, no, and they say, Ninia Owuno, Warede, Bakokwa, there are about what 15,000 people being Akwatia. They believed in the policies of Asumeduni Owu.
Right.
Bring all of them together.
Right.
I come here presentation, which me bum. You help me. I'm a bridge kakra. I'm a samba. A woman mashada invite to. Chechiri mame. Mashada mabre. Utuya mahome kakra. Sana kokwe so moye no. The way otimidi ya don be mu. The way otimidi obi abe mu mo boboa no. Do se mu oya za me medu anim kokot. Na sam na fe kwa ba na wa be fam ho akodi akunya no. Otimi ya sa ade ni nyina no. He must be able to bring everybody in Akwatia together. And akokwa because we united. Na mo hemfo kwa nye Papa Julius ko kan yi ne President Mahama bo de share mu e wona betime minya aban no ne baabi na maji bibi because national cake no eso ma anya care for no anya bibia so try and maximize the advantage e futu am de bema Akwatiafo no mo mpi no eno ano no
Eugene say to hear that say Eugene